Hello, GHL agency user. Introducing number tools from the Level Up Marketplace. Install 10 plus new actions to use in your workflows. Perform arithmetic, compare two or more values, calculate percentages, perform rounding, and generate random numbers. Don't get stuck with the data you're given when you can use math operations to compare and modify custom values. It works perfectly alongside other apps to create functional workflows. Agencies love number tools. We are Go High Level's only award-winning developer partner. Stop wasting money on expensive apps like Zapier, Make, Pabbly, and N8N. We provide you with more opportunities to generate revenue by rebilling our apps to your clients. Save time with custom-made workflow solutions and push your apps to all current and future sub-accounts, making it perfect for SaaS. 100% white label support and training documentation for sub-accounts. Install the app now and join all the agencies transforming their businesses with the Level Up Marketplace.